All right, welcome back. So the next problem we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and sketch a region. Okay, we're going to sketch the region given by -1 less than or equal to r less than or equal to 1, pi over 4 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to 3 pi over 4. Let's actually do two different regions. Let's do this one here, and then we're going to also do -1 less than or equal to r less than or equal to 0. Okay, with the same angles of theta. Okay, so we're going to change it up a little bit. Okay, let's start with over here. So now what I'm going to do, remember, theta is going to be the angle from the x-axis, right? So I'm going to draw a couple of lines here. So pi over 4 is over here. 3 pi over 4 is over here. Okay, so this is theta equals pi over 4. Theta equals 3 pi over 4. Okay, and then for r being from 0 to 1, it's just going to be sort of this top arc here. Okay. All right, we're going to do the same thing over here, except for now, our r is going to be from 0 to, or -1 to 0. So I'm going to draw these lines again. But here, this time, I'm actually going to need to go a little farther out this way. Why? Because my r values are negative. So for example, if I go to theta equals pi over 2, it's going to be, instead of going to 1, it's going to go to -1. So this point here, for example, is r equals -1, theta equals pi over 2. It's also, by the way, r equals 1, theta equals 3 pi over 2, but that's not really part of why that's not really the concern in this problem right now. Okay? And so then we would graph this portion. Okay? Okay, let's do a couple more that are related. We just sort of talked about it. Let's graph. Let's go with positive r, and let's do theta going from 5 pi over 4 to 7 pi over 4. Okay, so if I'm graphing this, theta is going to go from 5 pi over 4 to 7 pi over 4, and then it's actually going to be this region again. It's going to be the same as this. Okay, why is that again? Because you go out in the direction of theta, right? So boom, boom. So if you're here, you're in that direction, you're going to go the positive in that direction. Okay. Meanwhile, if we do these same angles, okay, but we take r being negative, okay, then that's going to actually be the same graph as this one here. Okay. Okay, again, 5 pi over 4, 7 pi over 4 is here. Let's move that line a little bit. But we're also going to need the back part of it. Okay, and so we're taking the r values are going to be here. Okay, because let's say our theta is 3 pi over 2, so that's in this direction, but it's a negative r. The negative r values bring us back in the opposite direction. Okay, so the r value positive, same direction as what your like arrow would go. If it's a negative, it's the opposite direction. Okay, I know it seems like I'm harping on this, but you normally, even in class, I have a bunch of questions about it at this point. Okay, all right, we're gonna come back. I'm gonna do another graph.